Progress or status updates usually include lots of project details, such as risks or potential problems, deadlines, costs, and next steps. In this video, you will fill the presentation with more details and updates about your project. Providing details your audience cares about will build enthusiasm for your project, so you can get the support you need. For example, decision makers in your company might be most interested in whether your project is on time and on budget. A client might have other concerns, like how construction will affect security, parking, and noise levels. Think about your audience and what they most want to know about your project. Then, fill in the next 2 slides with those details. Keep the template subheadings, Accomplishment 1 and Accomplishment 2, if they work for you, or highlight them and type in new subheadings. Next, add bullet points about your project's progress that will interest your audience. Keep the text from the template or change it to better fit your project and your audience. The next slide in the template is called Attention Areas. Here, highlight your project's potential problems as they relate to your specific audience. Again, add specific details to this slide that appeal to your audience. Change the subheadings if you like to better fit your project. Next, add a schedule. Key milestones and deadlines are an important part of any progress update on a project. The template contains a title slide for schedule and a template with space for 5 dates and milestones. Fill these in with text. End your presentation by giving the audience next steps that will be completed and goals for the next time you meet. The last 2 slides in the template provide space to do this. As you build your presentation, use the project purpose and goals in your charter and the task list in your tracker to guide you, if you created those earlier in this unit. As you add text to your slides, follow a few guidelines for creating an appealing presentation. Don't include everything you will say during the presentation on your slides. Instead, include a few bullet points in simple short phrases. These will hold the audience's attention. When you present, avoid reading exactly what is on your slides. Instead, elaborate and expand on the short text on the slide. To remind yourself what to say as you present, add speaker notes. Speaker notes are visible only to you, not to your audience. To view your presentation the way your audience will see it, choose Present. Use the arrow keys or click the mouse to advance to the next slide. Exit Present mode to make changes to your slides or add more speaker notes. Now it's your turn. Add project details to your presentation. Include budget concerns, key steps, and accomplishments. Write speaker notes to reference when giving your presentation.